what happened was I was on a podcast with a little lady named Suja. Suja weighs about $105. She's about this tall, probably about 34, 35. She's already placed $1 billion. $1 billion. Raised and placed $1 billion. But she goes, yeah, I got 200 million from Wells Fargo. And because I'm slow, and you're going to laugh, it didn't dawn on me what she said. She raised 200 million from Wells Fargo. I'm going to lead into this slowly. How many of you have money in a bank? Okay. How many of you pay for insurance? Why do we have money in a bank? It's safe, right? That's what we think. We don't keep it in our bed. That's not safe. I do. My king-size mattress is $100 bills. That's it. I won't sleep on anything lower. We keep it there because it's safe. And some of you in the room have a slight fear or even a major fear about investing passively with these sponsors. Now think about this. You put your money in a bank because it's safe, but you won't passively invest. Do you know what Wells Fargo and your insurance companies are doing with your premiums and the money you deposit? Passively investing. So you are putting your money in the bank at 1%, 2%, 3%, right? They are immediately going and giving it to Suja. Suja then finds a bunch of these people and gives it to them, and the bank makes 15 to 20% rate of return while you're making 1%, 2%, 3%. You are all passive investors and you don't even know it. You're just not getting the benefits. It blew my mind when that finally gelled in my brain what was going on. I was like, so we're all passive investors, but just some of us get the benefits and some of us don't. So I'm going to suggest that all of you keep an open mind to passive investing, more so than I believed in it even a month ago. It is the right thing to do. It is the safest thing to do. Not that it's perfect, not that it doesn't fail once in a while, but as far as the banks are concerned, are they taking your money and buying stocks with it? No. Are they taking your money and buying gold, silver, and crypto? No. They're passively investing in real estate. You ever seen these buildings that say Bank of America? Do you think that they occupy the entire building? No. They occupy maybe 5 floors, but it's a 70-story building. They're renting out the rest and making cash flow. They rent for free. They're living for free in that building. Now that's a ridiculous example, but that's what's going on. So I want to encourage everybody to keep a really open mind to passive investing.